Hello, hello, hello. Mic test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You know? So, meron akong mic na ginagamit ngayon. Alright. Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Ako si Red Corres at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag yung kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another video reaction na naman ang gagawin ko. So, magre-react ako guys dito kay Eric Santos and Julian San Jose. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. So, alam naman natin guys na si Eric and Julian ang isa sa pinakamagaling na singer dito sa Pilipinas and sobrang excited ako na mapanood tong collaboration ni Eric and Julian San Jose. So, tara mag-start na tayo without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Alright! You know. Okay. Bilang tayo guys ng sobrang excited ako. Hindi pa pala naka-ready. Okay, bilang tayo ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. If I had to live my life without you. Wow. Grabe. Grabe guys yung boses ni Mr. Eric Santos, no? Sobrang sarap pakinggan. Ang linis niyang kumanta talaga and nadadama mo yung bawat lyrics na binibitawan niya, di ba? Talagang tumatagos sa heart. Grabe! But it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. Julian San Jose. Without you, nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of. Wow, grabe yung blending. Ang ganda ng blending, guys. Ang sarap pakinggan. Never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead the way for us. Like a path is gone, I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see whatever do. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Grabe guys, sobrang nakaka-inlove talaga yung boses ni Eric Santos sa ni Julian San Jose. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pag-deliver nila sa kanta, yung blending, yung harmonizing. Grabe yung ang tawag dito, yung pag-deliver nila sa kanta talagang nararamdaman mo, no? May touch siya sa heart. Pag pinakinggan mo, grabe yung kanya sa heart. Talagang parang nadadama mo, gano'n. Nadadama mo siya, talagang may in love ka, gano'n siya. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. Grabe na to. Grabe yung harmonizing nila, no? And yung control, grabe yung control nila. Ang galing ng pagkakakanta nila. Yung version, grabe, binigyan nila ng justice. Parang mas maganda pa siya sa original, guys. Grabe kayo, Julian and Mr. Eric Santos. Change my whole life. Your love, it's gonna change my love for you.
Grabe to.
Love, it's gonna change my love for you.
Wow! Wow! Sobrang nakakakilig. Sobrang nakaka-inlove yung kanilang kanta. Wow. Grabe tong collaboration nila, no? Sobrang galing ni Mr. Eric Santos and Miss Julian San Jose. Grabe, talagang perfect yung boses nilang dalawa, no? Pag pinakinggan mo, talagang may in love ka. Ang linis ng pagkakakanta nila. Yung nabigyan nila ng justice yung kantang ito. Parang inangkin talaga nila yung kanta. Ang galing. And napakagaling nila na singer, storyteller. Kasi yung kanta ay naikukwento nila habang kinakanta. Talagang napifeel natin yung pag-awit nila. Naiintindihan natin. Napakagandang awitin. Napakagandang boses. Sobrang sarap lang sa feelings na dalawang station nag-collaboration na naman, GMA and ABS-CBN, dalawang magaling na singer ngayong generation, di ba, na talagang wow naman, wow na wow. Sobrang galing at talagang ipagmamalaki natin. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga requests na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye!